What's the meaning of amoebic dysentery? Amoebic dysentery. Amoebic dysentery. Amoebic dysentery. Amoebic dysentery. Amoebic dysentery.
Amoebic dysentery is a type of gastrointestinal infection caused by the protozoan Entamoeba histolytica. It typically spreads through ingestion of food or water contaminated with fecal matter containing the parasite. Symptoms vary in severity, but common ones include diarrhea, stomach pain, fever, and dehydration. In severe cases, the infection can cause ulcers in the intestinal lining or spread to other organs such as the liver and lungs, leading to potentially life-threatening complications. Prompt diagnosis and treatment with antibiotics or antiparasitic drugs are necessary to manage amoebic dysentery.